Listen, the universe literally burps and nobody talks about it. I'm serious, there's this thing called a fast radio burst, and it's basically the cosmos having a hiccup that releases more energy in a millisecond than our sun produces in 3 days. Scientists detected the first one in 2007 and completely freaked out because it came from billions of light years away. The wild part? We still don't know what causes them. Some think it's neutron stars colliding, others say magnetars throwing tantrums. These cosmic burps happen constantly across the universe, flashing brighter than entire galaxies for less time than it takes you to blink. They're rewriting everything we thought we knew about deep space energy, and nobody outside astronomy circles even knows they exist.